Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mixed voice. We'll start by understanding what mixed voice truly is and why it's so important for singers. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your chest and head voices seamlessly connect, allowing you to sing with power and ease across your entire range. This technique helps you avoid vocal breaks and achieve a consistent tone, making your singing sound much more professional and effortless. Let's dive in. Now, let's talk about the foundational elements: breath support and resonance. Proper breath control from your diaphragm is like the engine for your mixed voice, providing a steady airflow. Then, we focus on resonance, which means feeling the sound vibrate in your facial mask, particularly around your nose and eyes. This helps amplify your voice and gives it a richer, fuller quality. Try humming gently to really feel those vibrations and get accustomed to the sensation. To effectively blend your registers, specific exercises are key. Begin with siren exercises, smoothly gliding from your lowest comfortable note to your highest, focusing on a consistent sound. Next, try singing scales using an NG sound, like in the word sing. This helps connect your chest and head voices without strain. Don't forget lip trills or tongue trills. They are excellent for warming up and releasing any tension in your vocal cords, preparing them for mixed voice work. Finally, let's address common challenges and how to overcome them. Many singers tend to push or strain when trying to access their mixed voice, but the key is to approach it gently and gradually. Consistency is more important than force. Recording yourself is incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint areas that need more attention. Remember, developing a strong mixed voice takes time and patience. Also, for other great deals, and to check out that awesome sock link, make sure to look in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.